Well, I was out here at the range shooting and I was just finishing up when I noticed that. Of course, when projectiles come out of any firearm, but especially high-speed stuff that's going, that's like 500 yards out there where that smoke is. If it hits a rock or something, you can get a spark. And of course, this is Florida, which is usually pretty damp, but we're not exactly in the wet season. So they just stop the range. They're gonna run out there and put that fire out. No danger or anything, but they want to be a good neighbor, and a good neighbor doesn't take a chance. Even though this is all undeveloped area all around us when you look at it from the satellite. And this is the Ares, A-R-E-S-E range in Leesburg. And of course, got all the experts over here chiming in. The same guys that are eating food while handling lead projectiles and stuff. Definitely not the healthiest thing to do. Should always wash your hands, but hey, whatever makes them happy. So they drove out there in a car. Guy's gonna go up there. I know he had a relatively small fire extinguisher. I hear another four-wheeler. Gonna head out that way. And to tell you the truth, it looks like it's pretty much put itself out there. It's, you could hit the edges where it's gonna go and make a little fire break or whatever, but I'm sure some firefighting experts will let us know, but my theory would be to, if you're going to use a little fire extinguisher action, because you don't have a lot of resources, would be hit right at the edge. I see a guy out there spraying right now. Where basically take the fuel away.